Samsung dryer not spinning, humming or completely silent. In most cases, the drive motor is the problem. In the next 2 minutes, we'll show you how to confirm it, step by step. Welcome to HnKParts, your trusted source for quality appliance parts at the lowest prices. Let's begin. First, unplug the dryer for safety, remove the top panel, take out the 2 screws at the back, slide the panel forward, and lift it off. Next, remove the front panel, take out the 2 screws at the top, tilt the panel forward and disconnect the door switch and light wires. Now look at the bottom left inside the dryer. You'll see the silver drive motor with a white plastic blower wheel. Start by spinning the blower wheel by hand. It should turn smoothly, with little resistance. If it's stiff or completely stuck, the motor bearings are seized. That means the motor has failed. Next, grab your multimeter. Set it to continuity, or ohms. Touch one probe to any motor terminal. Touch the other probe to the metal body of the motor. There should be no beep and infinite resistance. If you get a beep or low ohms, the motor is shorted and must be replaced. Now test between the 2 large motor terminals, the purple and white wires. You should hear a beep or see low resistance. If it shows open or infinite resistance, the motor windings are burned out. If your motor fails any of these tests, it needs replacement. Get an exact fit Samsung drive motor from HnKParts with same-day shipping. Follow us on social media for updates. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more repair tips. Thanks for watching.